phone. Gotta go get it tomorrow.
We're gonna have to take the bumper off. She's basically off after disconnecting all the clips and then unbolting all this. Now we have to disconnect all the wiring on the inside and then she can completely off. So we gotta disconnect the fog lights. All just a clip, to be honest.
Jackson, yeah, been in the middle, same mind. You don't know me, you don't gotta do it loud. Keep it.
Gone. Okay, so now I'm using a 10. I'm using a 10 millimeter to take out these two bolts. And then two more bolts. That. Okay, so that last bolt, an extender. So now we're gonna do the headlight. And let me tell you something, it's not just plug and play. So there is a wiring hack we can use to make sure that the LEDs work. We did it on the other side and I'm gonna do it here. And just to let you know, it comes with all this extra wiring, but you don't need this. This is for an FRS. So if you have an FRS, you too. But for BRZ, you don't need that. Also, you need a light bulb here. I did not order them. I totally forgot. So yeah, that'll be another video. I totally forgot. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna have to mess with the wiring. So basically we just have to change the white wire, take it out and put it into next to the yellow wire. This is where the LED is. Now to do that, you need to take out this little white thing. So we're gonna have to take out this white thing. We just use a flathead. Now it came off a little bit, so I'm gonna just... Okay, so now we'll follow the wire, this white wire. So it's gonna be this clip. We're gonna have to take it out and move it right next to it. Okay, so we're gonna have to take out this thingy right here. So we'll just... Yay! Okay, so now we're gonna have to disconnect. It's this one right here, okay? So there's a little clip in it. So we'll put this thing in there and pop that clip out. It's out, and then we'll just pull the white wire out. Finally, God! So now, make sure this, I'll put it to the side. So you see how it has a little thing here? Make sure it's facing down when you plug that hole back in so it locks in properly. Just listen to myself. Don't forget to put this back in or else the harnesses are not gonna attach to each other and you're gonna be like, what the fuck? Now it's plug and play. So now we will connect this to this and then this one to this one. Okay, so we can actually just like, well, I'm gonna plug it in first before I like size it up, line it up, just because you have to make sure it clicks. And then this one into this one. Both clicked. Beautiful. And then the bolts on for now. They're both on. Let's test them.
On for that. Oh yeah, now they're good. Yes, ma'am.
Stop playing with me. They look so good. Now, time to put the fucking bumper back on. I'm beat.